What's going on, everybody? Mirage Classics here. Well, I got a little project here. It's a beautiful day here in California, but this is what I got cooking. I need to put a headliner in this red truck here. Clifford, the big red truck, doesn't have a headliner. I'll show you exactly what I'm working with. But been looking, researching. Oh my gosh, shit. I'm just gonna do it myself. So see, no headliner. So I went to my local swap meet and I bought some material, headliner material. It's just basic headliner material, and I got this from Home Depot, or Lowe's actually. Here's the part number. It is tempered service DPI material. So I have my template here. Here's my template. Because the one I had, took it apart. I was installing some lights on top of my truck, but fucking broke apart. It's very brittle. So I've traced it out. Got the jigsaw here. I'm gonna cut it out and see how it goes. Stay tuned, everybody. So this is the end result after cutting it. I even did some of the grooves I'm supposed to need. Dude, this thing came out better than I thought. Now what we're gonna do is test fit it. Make sure everything's golden. Okay, so now I'm taking these braces off. I already took off majority of it, but that brace, it goes all the way around. See that? That's where it bolts on. Right there. There should be one off right there. And in the corners. Let's see how this thing turns out. Another thing that's necessary, so I test fitted it, everything looks good. I even did that pinhole where it screws in from the middle. I mean, I checked it, everything, the fitment seems great. But I am gonna use 80 grit sandpaper, because this material is pretty smooth and I do want it to stick. So I'm gonna just do it rough real quick, just a quick little sanding, and then I'm ready to put this material on and then cut to shape. All right, let's get it. So I'm also gonna end up using this type of 3M 90 high strength, moisture and heat resistant, industrial strength. I mean, I had some of this in the garage. I'm just gonna use what I have. I'm sure it's gonna work. I know it might be a little overkill, but I like to overkill things a lot. So let's see how it goes. So now I'm gonna get the material, put it on top of this after I just sanded it. And then I'm gonna flip it over, or not flip it, but I'm gonna fold it in half, spray this side, spray the fabric, let it sit for a little bit, and then do the same thing on the other side. best way is using some scissors. I'm using these industrial scissors. I'm not sure exactly where I got them from, but these are pretty good. They cut pretty nice. So I think I'm gonna flip it. That way I can see what I'm cutting and start cutting the edges out. All right, everybody, just finished it right now. Took about 30 minutes. I had to just kind of wiggle it in to fit, but man, I'm so impressed by the way it came out. Check it out. Check it out, everybody. Oh man, this looks really good. Well, those are the results, guys. I'm gonna put all the items that I've purchased and all the things I've used for this build. That way it's useful for, I'm sure a lot of people could use this, you know, for their trucks. I was looking and looking, I couldn't really find a good resource. So I'm gonna go ahead and do mine, and I'll put a list in the description. Thanks for watching. This is actually my first YouTube video, by the way. So let's see if it's successful. See you guys. Peace.